Ako po si Ray Marcel Dura, operator ng machine dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 341 meters. Ito naman yung printer head area. Last palit po ng printer head is noong August 2023. Ang damper naman ay napalitan noong last week. Ito naman yung capping na may 60% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. Nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system. Yung ink po natin is medyo mababa yung black at saka magenta. Ito naman yung waste tank area. Last disposal po is last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung stock ng mga used ink. Powder. At film. Ito naman yung consumable ng white ink. Powder. Cleaning solution. Film. Wala pa ako na-consume ng CYK this week. Last week pala, sorry. Ito naman yung consumable mo nito. Ito naman yung daily output record. At printer daily checklist.